After President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. mediated between Thailand and Cambodia, an expert says the president has shown beyond doubt the Philippines seeks peace amid heated territorial discussions in the West Philippine Sea. Gab Villegas reports.
President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr.'s role as a peacemaker in the border tensions between Cambodia and Thailand can be considered a significant diplomatic intervention under the Philippine chairship of ASEAN. On the sidelines of the recent 48th ASEAN Summit in Cebu, a trilateral meeting took place among President Marcos, Cambodian Prime Minister Hun Manet, and Thai Prime Minister Anutin Charnvirakul, aimed at easing tensions over the long-standing border dispute between the two countries. According to President Marcos, both leaders reaffirmed the importance of maintaining open communication, exercising restraint, and avoiding actions that would escalate tensions. According to Department of Foreign Affairs spokesperson Annalyn Ratonel, compassion or malasakit and mutual respect or pakikipagkapwa were the Philippines' methods for easing the tensions.
The belief that when friends or neighbors face difficulties, we help bring parties back to dialogue and consultation. This is precisely how we have translated the theme, navigating our future together. So, and then a trilateral meeting was held at the margins of the 14th ASEAN Summit in Cebu between the Philippines, Cambodia, and Thailand. Good offices is a tool wherein a third party, in this case the Philippines, arranges a venue for candid and open dialogue between disputing parties, and in this case, Cambodia and Thailand. So this meeting essentially has demonstrated how our relationship in ASEAN is built on mutual respect, trust, solidarity, and understanding.
For Professor Ryan Aguinaldo, chairperson of the Department of Political Science and International Studies at the Polytechnic University of the Philippines, what the Philippines did to reconcile Cambodia and Thailand went far beyond mere optics.
It's beyond optics, and ayan it really works on our side pagka ganyan na pinapakita natin na we are very, very able to and competent to mediate and secure peace for these two warring neighbors or states. Yeah.
Article 23 of the ASEAN Charter states that disputing parties may request the ASEAN Chair or the ASEAN Secretary General to provide good offices to resolve their disputes. Another advantage for the Philippines in acting as a peacemaker between Cambodia and Thailand is that it has no territorial or economic stake in the said conflict, as well as its status as a maritime state. The professor also sees that the Philippines' active mediation in the Cambodia-Thailand conflict breathes new life into the concept of ASEAN centrality.
It's good na na-settle ito at syempre marirealize din yan ng mga ASEAN members na dapat mas lalong maging seryoso dito na ngayon sa pag-improve ng mga mechanisms ng ASEAN. Okay? So gamitin itong ASEAN as not just a forum but at the same time that this bloc would really promote, di ba? Itong peaceful resolution ng any conflicts that will exist within or between their members.
During their discussion, several agreements were formed. This includes maintaining a candid and constructive dialogue between Cambodia and Thailand, working on de-escalation efforts and maintain peace and stability, and collaboration between the national police agencies of both countries to combat transnational organized crime. The two countries also agreed to resume peace talks and conduct a border delimitation process through their existing bilateral mechanisms. The Philippines also laid out steps to ensure that the momentum of the peace talks between the two countries would not be lost.
We will continue to offer our good offices to Cambodia and Thailand to facilitate and sustain the momentum of their discussion while they continue to work towards a durable solution to their bilateral concern. Also, the Philippines remains committed to fulfilling its role. Yung AOT, the ASEAN Observer Team, was extended for another 3 months until July 2026, which we of course welcome. We note that this is not meant to replace in any way, but instead complementary to existing bilateral frameworks between Cambodia and Thailand on managing border differences.
Gab Humilde Villegas from the National TV Network for a New and Better Philippines.